Welding Technology is a 3-year course designed for high school students in grades 10 through 12, with an emphasis in the following areas: principles of technology, welding draining, and weld symbol interpretation, shielded metal welding, gas metal arc welding, core arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, manual oxyfuel gas cutting, mechanized oxyfuel gas cutting, manual plasma arc cutting, and manual air carbon arc cutting. Students can earn AWS and SP2 certifications as well as a PA Skills certificate. All areas are taught in competency-based situations with classroom knowledge applied directly to practical hands-on experience. Students enrolled in the Welding Technology program will develop skills in both hand and power tools. During a student's junior and senior year, he or she may be able to participate in a supervised cooperative education work experience program with a local business. All areas incorporate necessary safety and employment skills.